Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the TikTok 4-digit code or OTP not working or received on TikTok. So maybe you go on TikTok and you want to log in via phone, email, or user. You click this option, and when you type in your phone, you're not getting a code. So there's a few things you can actually do. The first thing is resetting the TikTok settings by going to your settings, click on General, click on iPhone storage. There, you want to go on TikTok when it loads. Here it is. You want to offload the app. After you do that, you can go over to settings again, click on phone, and you want to go over to blocked contacts at the bottom and check if TikTok's phone is blocked here. If not, maybe you might have some issues with your internet connection. You can try and maybe restart your phone or with your LTE connection or something like this. But yeah, you should find it somewhere in your messages. If this video helped you out, give it a like. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try to help you out. See you in the next video.